Hi students, in this exercise we will create best fit profile in AutoCAD Civil 3D. It's 5 number exercise 1.1e exercise number. We all already done with some exercises. You can download this drawing from the description link of first exercise 1.1a. We create survey database in Civil 3D and we import points and create line work for break lines. Then we create our surface, existing surface, and then we create best fit alignment in the with the help of these break lines. Then for this alignment we create our profile view for existing profile, existing alignment and existing surface. Now it's time to create best fit profile for this existing surface. It will be our design profile. Go to profile view. Here we have create best fit profile. So select your profile view. It will open create best fit align profile dialog box. Change the profile name. Sorry, here profile name should be quick start profile, and input type should be surface profile. It will select automatically existing profile because we have just one profile in this drawing. Then style should be design and clear show report. Then click OK. You can see it has been created. Our design profile with best fit alignment come tool in Civil 3D. So in the next exercise we will create corridor for our alignment.